marvelous world of mushrooms, benefits, types, and uses. Mushrooms are often referred to as nature's superfood. Packed with nutrients, unique flavors, and a fascinating history of medicinal use, these fungi have captured the attention of food lovers, health enthusiasts, and scientists alike. In this blog, we'll delve into the diverse types of mushrooms, their incredible health benefits, and how they can be used to improve well-being and combat diseases. We'll also explore which mushrooms to avoid and the role of certain magical mushrooms in fighting cancer. Types of mushrooms. Mushrooms come in an astonishing variety, with over 10,000 known species worldwide. While not all mushrooms are edible, many types are prized for their taste, texture, and health benefits. Let's break down the main categories. 1. Edible mushrooms. White button mushrooms, the most commonly consumed in the US, these mushrooms are mild in flavor and versatile. Portobello mushrooms, large and meaty, often used as a vegetarian substitute for burgers. Shiitake mushrooms, known for their smoky flavor and high levels of B vitamins and selenium. Oyster mushrooms, delicate and slightly sweet, great in stir fries. Enoki mushrooms, crisp and mild, often used in soups and salads. 2. Medicinal mushrooms. Reishi, often called the mushroom of immortality, it's renowned for its immune-boosting and stress-reducing properties. Lion's mane, promotes brain health and supports memory and cognitive function. Chaga, packed with antioxidants and great for combating inflammation. Turkey tail, known for its cancer-fighting properties and immune